Back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I'm going to talk you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special and I give you a complete review. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the necessary information about this website. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and subscribe my channel. If you do not click on the subscribe button, please click on the subscribe button. Let's start the video. This website will be connected in a Tor Pro link. First you download the Tor Pro link. After the clicking this, you need to only click on this option such as tab browser. After the clicking tab browser, you need to paste here your address and your name. Search on a click name option, then you need to paste the address which I provide you in the description. After this, friends, you need to click only at this option such as TRX CAF. Now you can see that the third party the notification. Now click on enter options. After this, you can see that I receive approve option. I only click on approve. You can check here. I click on approve. You can see that this is a giveaway. And friends, this website provide you also giveaway option to celebrate the successful launch of the TRX CAF starting from 4 April 2022 4 p.m. UTC. We are giving away drone to 5 users in the official group every day. Rules instruction period time for 4 April 4 p.m. UTC every day, and the user sends the investment screenshot and wallet address of the day in the official Telegram group. Not less than 500 TRX. We will randomly draw 5 lucky winners every day and follow the address left by the user to send us on TRX bonus. And friends, in the down you can see that I click here but it's not scrolling down. You can see that the investment must be effective on the day. It is the all information about this website. First I change the marker here. You can see that time here introduce time, investment options, and lucky draw options, and effective. Now click on a cancel option to show you the other options of this website. Now you can see that I clear this. After the clearing, you can see that the TRX CAF is the name of this website. The TRX CAF contract provide the opportunity to invest any amount of Tron such as minimum 50 Tron. In the contract, get 140% to 303% return on stack in 14 to 28 days. 10% to 14.28% daily minimum deposit 50 Tron and no max. Limit earning can be withdrawn at any time, and affiliate program 5 levels referrals commission 10%, 2%, 1%, 1%, 1%. And you can check these are the all information about this. In the down you can see that I imported notes basic internal rate for new deposit of 0.5, and you can see that every 24 days. In the down you can see that TRX credited feed address. You can see that the website earn a 2 day. You can see that 672 TRX. In the down you can see that total referral feed 60 TRX. In the down you can see that this is a saving one package a daily is 10%, no basic interest, no auto rewards, 140 return total, and you can check the withdraw anytime, and the package will be get in a 14 day. Now you need to enter your investment amount such as I want to invest here 1000 TRX. I need to click here 1000. After this I need to only click option. First I show you the all portions and all packages of this website, so then I explain you other information. And friends, in the down you can see that 3 dot button. Now click on 3 dot button to show you the information. In the down you can see that this is a classic package. In this you can see that daily profit 9%, and you can get 189% after 21 days. You can withdraw it anytime and no basic limits. And in the down, if you want to invest it, you need to put your amount here, then you need to click on a deposit. Your amount will be automatically deposited, and if you have a Tron in your Tron Pro link account. In the down, friends, you can see that this is the 8% daily profit, no basic, no auto reward, or 224 daily total percent return 28. If friends, such as if I want to invest here 50 TRX, such as no, you can see that I click on 3 button. After clicking 3 button, you can check these options. Now in the down you can see that this is a silver option. This is the huge opportunity to earn more and more TRX. 6.89 TRX, you can see that 0.5 and 6.89 and end of plan. You can see that and you can see that days 14 days and 200% daily. And in the down you can see a gold option, platinum. These are the other options of this website. In the down you can see that the minimum deposit is 50 TRON, minimum withdrawal amount is 20 tron, the maximum deposit amount is 50,000 tron. After the launch of project, daily profit will increase 0.5% every day for a new deposits. In the down you can see that a total TRX cap, it is your cap option, your available balance option. You can withdraw it by clicking the withdraw options. And friends, this is your referral links. You need to click on a copy. After the clicking copy, you need to share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get the rewards. Here you can check total referral rewards, total earning. In the down you can see invite user by you, level 1 10%, level 2 2%, level 1 3. This website provide you earning from the level 5. You can check here. This is a very good opportunity to earn more and more TRX. In the down you can see that these are the all information and of TRX cap. In the down you can see that deposit history. You can check your daily history by using these options. In the down you can see that these are reviewed DAP reviews. You can see that Tron Pro link, Tron link, and you can check all this information. And these are the socials such as Telegram, Twitter, and I don't know what is this. Is the logo of the web socials powered by Tron and decentralized this web 2025 by TRX cap. Alright, reserved. Now I go up to show you how to invest in this website. First I want to show you this throw buttons. This is how I click on 3 buttons. After this you can see that a Telegram and connect wallet options and select language. You can change your website language into many different languages, such as you can check here. Now you can see that a Telegram, if you click on a Telegram, you will redirect it to Telegram. Here you can see that the TRX price is at 0.07, and you can see that I need to click on a connect wallet. After the connecting, I can invest in this easily. First I need to go down. After the going down, you can see that I invested amount here, such as I fill amount 50 TRX. After the putting 50 TRX, now I click on a deposit option. After the clicking deposit, you can see that it will be taking time to invest in this website. You can check here I have no amount. First I need to connect the wallet. For connecting wallet, you need to click on this. After the clicking this, you need to click on a connect wallet. Such as friends, you can see that I click on a connect wallet. It will be connected in a few minutes, so it will be connected successfully. I wait for the complete connecting of the connected wallet. Now I go down. You can see that the going down, I click on a deposit option. After the clicking deposit option, it not be working as this. You can deposit in this website, but after the clicking deposit option and other options, such as I go down. After the going down, I paste the amount here, such as I paste amount here 500 TRX. Now I click on deposit options. That is not working because I have no TRX in this. After you can see that I click on deposit option to invest in this website, and this is this main parts of this web. Now I go down to show you how to take a withdraw from this website. For the withdrawal option, you need to click on a withdraw TRX. After the clicking withdraw TRX, you will be redirected to the and the amount you are showing here. You can redirect it and withdraw it easily. If you have here more than 20 TRX, you need to only click on a one tap withdraw option. Your withdrawal successfully receive in your account. I hope friends you like this video, and I'll subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye. And friends, if you click on this, such as this is not done because it is our extra options, and I not know why it is not working. I have a good internet, but does not it working. I paste the amount here, such as I again enter amount. Now I click on a deposit option. After deposit option, you can see that it not working properly, but it will be show in your account if you have a TRX in your wallet. Such as friends, you can see that I have no TRX in this website, therefore I cannot withdraw money from this website. Sorry, deposit in this website. If I have a more than 50 TRX, I can easily deposit in this website. I hope friends you like this video, and subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye.